Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to turn on pattern lock in Webull mobile application. If you want to secure your Webull mobile app with a pattern lock, this tutorial will show you exactly how to enable it. First of all, launch open the Webull application in your Android or iOS device and wait for the home screen to load. From the main home screen of Webull, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the menu icon. Inside the menu button, click on Settings. Under Settings, click on Account and Security. Now on the next page, go to the bottom and look for Pattern Lock option and tap on it. Now toggle on the button right next to Pattern Lock in the next page. Draw an unlock pattern that you want to set. Confirm the pattern by drawing it once again, and you have successfully set Pattern Lock in Webull. Now, you'll need to draw the pattern. Every time you open up Webull, simply go ahead and enter your pattern and you'll be in. This will also add an extra layer of protection if your phone is shared or unlocked. You can also disable the pattern lock anytime from the same menu. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the pattern lock on Webull mobile app. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.